Hello my dear students, I am Dinesh Vyas. We are going to discuss the topic depreciation in our accountancy. So we will start with a simple problem on depreciation. In this class, I will make you to learn how to find out depreciation on an asset and how to prepare a machine account. So before going to the problem, I'll read out the problem for you. See here, first question. Madhu and Company purchased machine for rupees 1 lakh on 1st April 2010. So while doing any problem on depreciation, we have to see what is the year given. So two types of year may be given. One is calendar year, which will start from January and end on December. And financial year. Financial year will start from April and end on March 31st. So here it is financial year. So we are starting from April and end of the year will be 31st March. So it is depreciated at 10% per annum, that is per year, on straight line method. Which method it is? Straight line method. So remember, depreciation on straight line method will be always constant. That is for every year. If you get 10,000, it will be 10,000 for each year. Prepare machine account for 3 years, assuming that the accounts are closed on 31st March every year. So here he mentioned 31st March every year. So this is the problem. So the important points here: cost of the machine is how much? 1 lakh. Rate of depreciation is 10%. And what is the method we are following? Straight line method. So straight line method is also known as fixed installment method. What method? Fixed installment method or original cost method. So three names are given: straight line method, fixed installment method, or original cost method are one and the same. So here in this, I'll show you the pro forma. So to make the machine account, we need the pro forma of a ledger, because machine account is a ledger. First year we have learned what is a ledger. So it is in the form of a letter T. So in the left side, if you see, we have 4 columns: date column, particulars column, JF column, and amounts column. The right side again, date column, particulars column, JF column, and amounts column. So in the corner left, we write DR, that is denotes debit. CR denotes credit in the right side top corner. In the middle of the account, we write the title of the account, that is machine account. So this is the working notes. Statement of profit or loss on sale of the machine. Or we are not selling the machine, but here I will show you how depreciation is calculated. So here we will take what is the cost of the asset, how much is the cost, here it is there. Cost of the asset is how much? Rupees 1 lakh. Then how much amount every year you have to subtract from depreciation. So here you will find on 1 lakh, what is the depreciation amount? 10%. How much you will get 10%? That is equal to how much? So 1 lakh into 10%, how much it is? You don't know how to calculate depreciation. 10,000. So this is the depreciation. So 10,000 is the depreciation. So how much you will get then? Here, how much you will get? 1 lakh into 10,000, how much you will get? Rupees 90,000. So this is the depreciation for the year 2010 to 2011. That is April 1st, 2010 to March 31st, 2011. The second year again, we are following what method? Straight line method. Second year again, we have to find the depreciation. Again the same method. Rupees 1 lakh into 10 by 100, that is 10%, will be equal to how much? Again we will get how much depreciation? 10,000. So depreciation is always calculated on the purchase value of the asset. Purchase value of the asset is how much? 1 lakh. So again we will get how much? Rupees 10,000. It means we are decreasing the asset every year by rupees 10,000. So 90 Here it is 90,000 minus 10. How much will get now? It is how much? 80,000. And next year. Again next year we will find the depreciation on rupees 1 lakh. So 10%. What is the value you will get? Again it is how much? 10,000. So last year, that is 3 years is asking. 10,000 we will subtract. How much is that value then? From where we will subtract? 80,000 minus 10. How much is the answer? 70,000. So this is the value of the machine after providing depreciation for 3 years. So see, this is the first year depreciation. This is the second year depreciation. This is the third year depreciation. 1 lakh minus 10,000 we got 90. 90,000 minus 10,000 we got 80. 80,000 minus 10,000 we got 70,000. So this is the final value after depreciating the machine for 3 years. So this is the value we have calculated here. So 1 lakh into 10 by 100, 10,000. 1 lakh into 10 by 100, 10,000. 1 lakh into 10 by 100, 10,000. So these you have to show in the account. So this is the ledger. So here, always while starting depreciation, you have to keep ready the pro forma of a ledger, which contains date column, particulars column, JF column, that is journal folio column, amounts column. Again date column, particulars column, journal folio, that is JF column, and amounts column. So in the debit side, we will write the purchase entry. What is the journal entry for purchase of a machine? What is the journal entry? Whenever a asset is purchased, debit what comes in, credit what goes, or debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. These are the rules of debit and credit. So when a machine is purchased for cash or from payment through a check, what is the entry we have seen? Machine account debit to bank account. So here we will take the date. What is the date of purchase? 1st April 2010. What you will write here? To bank account. To what account? To bank account. What is the value? We purchased the machine for rupees 1 lakh. Every year end. This is the entry we have taken. Now we have to provide the depreciation at the year end. What is the year end for this? We have started from April and we have to end at what? 31st March 2011. What you have to write the entry? By depreciation. By depreciation account. How we got this entry in the credit side? What is the entry when we provide depreciation? What is the entry? Machine. So here, how much is the depreciation for the first year? 10,000. We have taken 10,000. So to bank, machine account debit to bank, depreciation account debit to machine account. So entry for depreciation is what? Machine account debit to depreciation. Depreciation account debit to machine account. So this way we have taken the entry. Now what is the next step? This is for 1 year. For the year 2010 to 2011. Now what we have to do? We have to balance this ledger because the year is ended. Year is closed here. So how to balance? What we have to check? In both the sides we have to see the total. Debit side total is how much? Rupees 1 lakh. And credit side total is how much? Rupees 10,000. Which side is more? Debit side. So debit side total should be taken on both the sides. We have taken 1 lakh here and we have to take 1 lakh this side. Now how to balance? Debit side total 1 lakh minus credit side total 10,000. How much will get the answer here? 1 lakh minus 10,000. How much is the answer we will get? 90,000. This is the same date, 31st. So 31st March 2011. What is the entry? What it is called? By, yes, it is correct. By balance. Balance carried down or brought down? Please carried down. How much it is carried down? How much it is carried down? By balance carried down. How much it is carried down? 90,000. So this is for 1 year. You have to show for how many years? 3 years. So these 90,000 will be taken as a opening. This is the closing balance of first year. This will become the opening balance for the next year. What is the next year after March 31st 2011? What is the next date? 1st April 2011. 1st April 2011. What is the entry you will write here? To balance brought down. You don't know B by D. This is called as what? Balance brought down. How much will be the balance brought down? Here it is. How much it is? Rupees 90,000. What does this show us? It means we purchased a value for 1 lakh. We have provided depreciation of 10,000 on that in the first year. After providing depreciation, value of the machine has decreased to how much? 90,000. This is the closing value of the first year, which has become the opening value for the next year. So next year is 2011 to 2012. So this is 2012 again. So what you have to do here? Again you have to take the depreciation. In which year? 31st March 2012. So at the year end, what is the year end? 31st March 2012. By what will write? Depreciation. By depreciation account. How much is the depreciation for the second year we have to take? Here you have to see in the working notes. For second year is 2011 to 2012. So 2011 to 2012. What is the depreciation amount? So under straight line method, original cost method, always depreciation remains the same. It is how much? 10,000 only. Now what is the next procedure? Again we have to balance as we have done in the first year. What is the procedure of balancing? Debit side total you have to check. How much is the debit side total here? 90,000. And credit side total it is 10,000. Which is more? Debit side. So what you will do? Debit side total you have to take on both the columns, both the sides. 90,000 in both the sides. Now what is the next step? We will get what? 31st March 2012. What you have to take here? By balance carried down or brought down? Carried down. So this is the important point here. Now here, how much balance we will get here? You have to check in the working notes. 1 lakh minus 10,000 we got 90. 90 minus 10 we will get how much here? 90 minus 10, how much we will get? 80,000. So this is the second year. Now after using the asset for 2 years, value of the machine has decreased from 1 lakh to how much now? From 1 lakh, it is now how much? 80,000. So this is the closing value after second year. What is the third year now? Here you have to see the date, 31st March 2012. The next year will be 1st April 2012. What you will write here again? To balance brought down. To balance brought down. How much is the balance brought down? Check here. 80,000. So in this way. So this is the last year for providing the depreciation. So last year in sense, why last year? It may continue number of years because problem is asked only for 3 years. We are showing the account only for 3 years. So here, what is the last year date? 31st March 2013. So check here, 2012 to 2013. What is the depreciation amount? By depreciation. How much is the amount of depreciation? Depreciation account should be taken how much? In this year also, it is how much? 10,000. How much? See here, how we have calculated 10,000. We have shown here in the working notes below. 1 lakh into 10%, you will get how much? 1 lakh into 10 by 100. How much it is? 10,000. So 10,000. So depreciation for the year 2012-2013 is also how much? 10,000. So here we have taken 80 minus 10. Now what is the last step? Balancing. How you balance? We'll check the total of the debit side. We'll also check the total of the credit side. Which one is more here? Debit side is more. Debit side total is how much here? 80,000. Credit side total is how much here? 10,000. So debit side 80,000 minus credit side 10,000. How much is the difference? We'll get 70,000. That you have to take. So here, what we will write here? Is anything given? Nothing, no? So we'll close the problem. 70,000 is the answer for us. 31st March 2013. What is the you will write here? By balance carried down. How much is the answer? By balance carried down is how much? 70,000. Balance carried down is how much? 70,000. So here we will see how we have taken the entries. First, whenever you start the problem, read the problem carefully. What is given in the question? Cost of the asset. Cost of the asset is how much? 1 lakh. Rate of depreciation is how much? 10%. What is the method we are following? Straight line method. How many number of years you have to show the depreciation account? 3 years. And what is the year we are following? Financial year. That is April to March. So I will write here for you to understand. Cost of the asset is how much? Cost of the asset. What is the cost of the asset is equal to how much? Rupees 1 lakh. What is the method? Rate of depreciation. Rate of depreciation. How much it is? 10%. Then what is the method? Method which we are following. Method is what? Straight line method. Straight line method is also called as what I said? Fixed installment method. Fixed installments method, or it is also known as what? Original cost method. Original cost method. Original cost method. So the same method is known with 3 names. In the problem, sometimes to confuse, he will give you, instead of giving straight line method, he may give original cost method, or he may also mention fixed installments method. So you may get a doubt. Array sir didn't taught us. No. It is the same method. Straight line method, fixed installment method, or original cost method are one and the same. Then what is more given here? Number of years. How many years? How many years you have to show the account? How many years you have to show the account? To show account, machine account, you have to show the machine account for how many years? 3 years. So this way. So this is the points which you have to keep in your mind before starting the problem. Cost of the asset is given how much? 1 lakh. Percentage of depreciation is 10%. Method we are following is straight line method, and number of years you have to show machine account is 3 years. So these points, and always better, it is better to show the working notes here. So this is the what? Working notes. So these working notes, if we show, it is better always, because you will understand in a better way what we are doing with this problem. So always it is better to keep it ready when the problem starts. So this is the working notes. So machine account, I think you understood very clearly what is machine account. So with this, I end this topic. Thank you very much.